Hello, my name is Mike Press. I am the Senior Vice President of Recruiter Operations at Performance here at the Judge Group. What we look for in a resume when it comes to medical coding under billing is mainly the certification. What we do as an agency to find out how qualified someone is, we take a look at their work history. We like to see continuity. We like to see also longevity in those jobs. We take a look at not only tenure of jobs, but frequency of jobs, how many jobs you've had in a certain amount of time, where you've worked, the type of positions you've held. The majority of medical coding and billing is performed remotely. Our clients take a look internally and they work with you to make sure that you're doing the work from home. Another thing our clients look for is familiarity in ICD codes. There are some legacy codes in ICD-9. It's mainly what's used now is ICD-10, and we're starting to see a lot of ICD-11. So there are some training courses for that as well. But the best way to get that is to just get into a job that employs those codes in their environment, and that's where you can get that experience. But any additional certifications needed, they're usually not required because they're usually specialized for certain things, but they would be like a COC or a CRC or a CIC. We can definitely help guide you on where to get those. We have a lot of connections with a lot of accredited schools and a lot of institutions that will help you get those certs, and we'd be more than happy to help you there. The medical coding exam for the CPC, CPCA, CCS, you're going to want to go through basically an AAPC or what's called a HIMA, AHIMA, to get those certs. They're usually accepted everywhere. They're not state dependent. Some certifications are, but the main coding certifications like those through AAPC or HIMA, and they're accepted nationwide. Most clients have internal assessments to where they'll put you through a test where they want to see anywhere from a 95 to 98% accuracy rating. Judge, we use internal auditors that we employ ourselves that will work with our coders to check the accuracy of their coding. They'll check their charts and make sure they're getting that 95 to 98% accuracy. As far as charts or coding software, the two most universally used are Epic and Cerner. Any EMR is going to be good. Our clients don't ask for anything specific. They just want someone who's familiar with the concept of electronic medical records and how they're used, how they're stored, how they're updated. That's pretty much all they really need.